So here we are going to see the 14th experiment. So last experiment in our lab, which is communication link simulation. So far simulation experiments எல்லாமே MATLAB codes run பண்ணி graphical representations எல்லாம் பார்த்தோம், right? Plotting, அதோட amplitude modulated wave, அதோட demodulation wave, QAM, QPSK, everything for all modulation schemes we have seen that code running and generation and deduction we have seen. So next என்ன அப்படின்னா the 14th experiment communication link simulation we are going to design a block diagram சரியா. ஸோ ஒரு பேசிக்காக நம்மளோட ஏஐ மாடுலேஷன் எடுத்துக்கிட்டா எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு, ஸோ அதில் வாட் ஆர் த பிளாக்ஸ் நீடட். ஸோ அந்த பிளாக்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே பிளாக்ஸாக யூஸ் பண்ணி கனெக்ட் பண்ணி ஆஃப்டர் தட் we will run the simulation. ஸோ அதுக்கு we are going to use Simulink-னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ that is a part of our MATLAB ஒரு பார்ட். ஸோ அந்த Simulink என்ன பண்ணும் அப்படின்னா it will provide us way for modeling. ஸோ மாடலிங் பிளாக்காக யூஸ் பண்ணி கனெக்ட் பண்ணி ரன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு it will help. So also it is used for என்ன graphical representation. So graphics எல்லாமே நம்ம டைரக்டாக பார்க்குறதுக்கு we can use that. So I am going to show you an example. எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு Simulink-ல எப்படி ஒர்க் பண்ணணுங்கிற அந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் காட்டுறேன். After that we can go for AI modulation. So communication link simulation ஜென்ரலாக கொடுத்ததுனால so we can do anything. So I have do AI modulation as well as FM modulation. So I am going to open MATLAB. Here new, you can see the icon new. So idhula previous sessions எல்லாமே script window open பண்ணோம், right, for writing the code. So now I am going to click Simulink model. So இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு triangle as well as square shape join பண்ணி இருக்கா. So this is the Simulink model. I have clicked. So now our Simulink window opens. So here we are going to add our library. So library ல இருந்து என்ன பண்ணணும், எல்லா பிளாக்ஸையும் எடுத்து வச்சு how to do. So for that I am clicking the library. So now library opens. So the library la over category of and over category of and ஒரு title la it will hold everything. So Simulink ங்கற அந்த category குள்ள commonly used blocks, continuous, discontinuous, so எந்தெந்த ஆபரேஷனுக்கு என்னென்ன blocks யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு தேவைப்படுமோ it will be available here. So similarly for our DSP application, control system application, everything, communication system applications, everything will be available here. So mostly இப்போ நம்ம இந்த commonly used blocksல இருந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், basic things எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்றதுக்கு எடுத்துப்போம். ஸோ ஜென்ரலாகவே நம்ம எப்படி CRO யூஸ் பண்ணி waves எல்லாம் waveform output பார்ப்போமோ same thing in our Simulink we are going to use scopeங்கிற இந்த block யூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணலாம், you can see the output. So scope is needed for us. So I am going to take the scope, drag பண்ணி நம்மளோட ஓப்பன் ஆயிருக்க அந்த நியூ மாடல் விண்டோல I am placing. So next thing we need here is we are going to do for our AI modulation. So AI modulation க்கு the important blocks are carrier wave as well as message wave, right? So on the carrier wave message wave க்கு what I am going to do is waveform generator வேணும். So அந்த block பேர் என்னது waveform generator. So for that I am going to sources. So sources ல here sine wave னு இருக்கு. So already you know sine wave can be used as a message signal. So for that I am going to use sine wave. So sine wave click and drag. You can see இப்போ நான் drag பண்ணிருக்கேன் and I am placing in my new model window ல place பண்றேன். So this is for our message signal. Then again carrier signal also ஒரு separate ஆன waveform needed. So again I am clicking and dragging and placing here. Then for modulation schemes, product modulator is an important block. So அதுக்காக math operations ல product here ப்ராடக்ட்ங்கிற block. ஸோ இதில் two things என்ன ஆகும், ப்ராடக்ட் ஆகி வரும். ஸோ நம்மளோட மெசேஜ் as well as carrier என்ன ஆகும், மாடுலேஷன் ஆகணும். ஸோ ஃபார் தட் ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு யூஸ் திஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஸ் அ modulator, dragging and placing here. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் and ஒரு adder block I need. So some adder block in order to add these signals. So I am going to keep that also. Then some modulation index we are supposed to give. எவ்வளோ modulation index தான் என்னது, ratio between modulated wave and actual wave. So அப்போ எவ்வளோ modulate ஆகணுங்கிறத define பண்றதுக்கு modulation index I need. So for that constant ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு I need a term. So suppose என்னென்ன block எதுக்குள்ள இல்லை அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சுச்சுன்னா here there is a தெரியல அப்படின்னா here there is a search block. So அங்கே போயிட்டு என்ன பண்ணலாம், we can search. So I need a constant block. So I am going to type here max operation. So in order to search a block, blocks எல்லாம் எங்க இருக்கு என்னென்ன categoriesல வருது அப்படின்னு தெரியல அப்படின்னா you can search here. So I need a constant term, so I'm going to type constant. So type பண்ணிட்டு enter. So here this is the constant I needed, so I'm going to drag and place it, and another one constant term also I need. I'm going to drag and place it. So next one is இப்போ எல்லாமே வந்து என்னது தேவையானதெல்லாம் எடுத்து வச்சாச்சு. another one product modulator also needed. So max operation, here it is product. So click, drag and place it in our new model window. That is the concept of creating the block diagrams. So next is scope. 2 scopes I have needed, only one scope I have. So again I am going to place another 2 scopes. Scope will be available in our commonly used block. Here scope you can place. So next another one. So here என்னென்ன blocks needed அதெல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிக்கணும், we can take and keep. Then we are going to arrange it. So direct என்ன பண்ணலாம், we can arrange now. So first here it is our carrier wave. So இந்த names எல்லாம் என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், you can change. So sine wave இருந்ததை I am going to change as a carrier wave. Then after that இதோட parameters, right, double click பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா அந்த ஐகான்ல வச்சுட்டு you can get the parameters. So அந்த parameters என்ன பண்ணணும், we have to define. So அதில் frequency component I am going to define as 2 star I star 5. Then sampling time 1/5000. Click apply, then okay. So now you can see the change. So previously நம்ம எந்த parameter define பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி நார்மலான sine wave இருந்துச்சு அந்த ஐகான்ல. Now நம்ம எக்ஸாக்ட்டா என்ன ஆகணும்ங்கறத நம்ம டிஃபைன் பண்ணதுனால how it is like what we have given. நம்ம என்ன கொடுத்தோமோ it is appearing there. So next again frequency term. So carrier for the frequency நம்மளோட நம்மளோட message signal frequency should differ. So there I have given another thing. Here I am giving another thing. 5000. Sample time is same. Okay. So next now we are going to give those two as an input for our product modulator. So here it is. So cursor வச்சு we can click and drag பண்ணா என்ன வரும், connecting lines will come there. Then we can place it there. So here first product la I am giving sine wave as an input as well as a constant in the sense modulation index. I am going to say change it mod underscore index. Then the parameter value also I am going to give as 0.5, 50% modulation index I am going to give. So for that 0.5 I have chosen. Then again another product modulator. So for this carrier signal is an input. Then second input is our output from adder. So adder la I am going to add one input from product and another input from our constant term. Then the output of the adder is given as an input to our product modulator. Then to the scope in order to see the output. So output பார்க்கறதுக்கு என்ன வச்சிருக்கேன், scope வச்சிருக்கேன். So carrier signal ஓட output பார்க்கறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம், you can again place a scope here. Then நம்மளோட message signal பார்க்கறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணலாம், you can keep a separate scope here. So here also I am going to connect. Just to click and drag operation now. I am clicking and dragging. So here something. So now we can see the carrier wave using this scope 1. Then our message wave. So I can write as message wave. Message wave as an output to scope 2. Then again last time நம்மளோட modulator output பார்க்கறதுக்கு here I have placed another scope. So this is the procedure to draw a block. Okay, இப்படி தான் என்ன பண்ணணும், Simulink library இருந்து drag பண்ணி a new model we are going to place all the blocks. Then we have to save this. So I am going to save as an example 1 and how to change the path. So I am giving the path as EC folder. Then here you can see the icon of run. So it is running. You can click the scope. So once run ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் the scope click பண்ணா என்ன கிடைக்கும், you can get the output. So this is the output from our scope window. So I am going to zoom it. So wait, you can first check the carrier wave. So this is our carrier wave, you can see it clearly. So this is our carrier wave. This is from scope 1 oda output. Then I am going to check the output of our scope 2. And just double click panna podum, you can get the output. So here just zoom panni paakren, right? So this is our scope 2 oda output. So now amplitude modulator output, we are going to check the scope, this scope. I am going to run again. There is a change in the scale, I think. So here you can see. Actually I have taken already, you can check there. So here you can see clearly our amplitude modulated signal. So இப்போ scope la enna panikalam, we can see the output, or else another one component is available in our Simulink library. So I am going to add that component also in our diagram. So that is signal to workspace. நம்மளோட command window la நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், we can see the output. So அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா, we are going to search the component signal to workspace. So here I am going to type again. So we can wait. So here scope la வந்து என்ன பண்ணோம், output பார்த்தோம். Same thing command window la commands place பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணலாம், we can get the output. So for that we need an additional component to be added in our block diagram. So I am going to open our Simulink library browser, and here there is a category title called sync. So sync la there will be a component name sing out signal to workspace னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு component இருக்கும். I am going to click it, drag and place in my model window. So here I am placing என்னோட outputல I am going to place it before the scope முன்னாடி place பண்ணிட்டேன். Then here parameter I am going to give a name as signal modulator, signal mod. So signal underscore mod, okay. Then here also I am going to change the same signal mod, because in that block we are getting an output as signal mod, right? Signal modulation signal oda output தான் நம்ம எடுக்கிறோம். So அதுக்காக அந்த நேமிங் வச்சிருக்கேன். So again save, then I am running. Then after that first I am going to open the command window. So command window la என்ன பண்ணனும், we have to give the command word. So for that plot bracket signal underscore mod open bracket enter. So we can get the output plot underscore signal underscore mod enter. Okay, right. typing again. So scope output பார்த்தோம்னா now we are going to see the output in command window. So for that signal modulation block is added here. Sorry, signal to workspace block I have added. I have defined the parameter. Then I am going to type the code in my command window. So the code is plot underscore the name of that block. I have given signal mod. So this is the way of getting the output in using our commands. Command window we can see the output. This is our amplitude modulated output. The same thing which we have got in our scope window, right? Scope la enna paathomo nammaloda final la vechirundha scope la paatha same output we are getting here also. Figure 1 it is. So next example for communication link simulation I have used FM frequency modulation and demodulation I have used here. So for that initially a sine wave generator block. So இது எங்க இருந்து எடுத்துப்போம் source category ல இருந்து we have taken that. So here right source Simulink library browser ல source ல have taken this sine wave. Then gain block. So the gain block வந்து I have given the value of 50. So 50 is my value. Then here also for sine wave parameters எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணணும் blocks எடுத்து வச்சோன்னு செட் பண்ணணும். So amplitude 1 my frequency is 2 pi 10 sample time is 1 by 1000. So எப்பவுமே library file ல இருந்து blocks எடுத்து வச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் how to set this particular parameters. So these are definitions. ஒரு சிக்னல்னா அதில் வந்து அதோட samples எவ்வளோ டைம் இருக்கணும் அதோட frequency period என்ன அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we are just defining exactly. So for that we have used that one. Then next is our commonly used summation. So summation block also you can take from commonly used block. So here it is available sum. So then there is no parameters to define extra for our sums. And here for constant term I have given the value of 100. So double click panna enna agum the block oda parameters will open. So there we can define the value. I have given 100. Then here integrator. So integrator also will be available in our library browser la commonly used block la it will be available. You can see here it is integrator. So next one is our gain as usual gain value, but here gain parameters I have defined as 2 into pi. So already you know for modulation 2 waves are needed, carrier wave as well as message wave. So for first message signal I have given 50 and for our carrier wave I have given 2 into pi. Then trigonometric function. So our carrier wave should be a cos wave. So I have given the cos trigonometric function. So there also the parameter block you have to choose. I have chosen the cos. Next gain, second gain value it is just 1. Okay. Next product in the sense it has to do the process of modulation. So for that I have used here. Next low pass filter. So here also you have to use third order low pass filter. Their pass band inches I have given 2 pi into 10. Then continuous VCU. So this is nothing but a block which can change, we can show the variation, amplitude variation as well as anything sample based. So enna நம்ம signal la enna operations perform பண்ணனும் everything can be used using this block. So for this I have given 1 and quiescent frequency 10, input sensitivity 50, initial phase minus 1.6. So next scope is 3 input scope. So first AM modulation la just single input scope மட்டும் தான் பார்த்தோம், ஒரே ஒரு waveform மட்டும் தான் என்ன பார்த்தோம் we have seen. So here it is a 3 input scope. So அதுக்கு என்ன எப்படி modify பண்ணனும் அப்படினா you have to double click that and here there will be a settings called. So here scope la the figure will open. அங்க settings la number of access னு இருக்கும். So அதுல நமக்கு எவ்வளவு inputs கொடுக்கணுமோ at a time la how many number of outputs நம்ம பார்க்கணுமோ அதை என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், you can type here. So எனக்கு 3 outputs at a time la பார்க்கணும்னால I have given the access as 3. So already in the scope window I have got the output. So that output வந்து display ஆயிருக்கு. So next we are going to save this. So I have already saved. Now we are going to run. Here is the run button. run பண்ணியாச்சு. Then I am going to click the scope window and I have got the output. Now I am going to expand it. Axis here there will be an option. So here I can zoom little bit. So it is first is our FM message signal, then next is our FM modulated signal, and then the last one is our demodulated signal. So we know the concept behind frequency modulation. We have already seen in our kit experiment as well as our simulation experiment. Here in communication link simulation also we have seen two examples. So rendu example paathirukom, right? So again I am going to give you a quick review about this Simulink. So initially what you have to do, you have to open the MATLAB. So there will be an option called new. So new, there will be a Simulink model. So in the Simulink model click பண்ணனும். After that workspace Simulink window will open. So adula here you can see here this red color and blue color, white color. So that icon I am clicking. So that is nothing but our library. So Simulink library blocks will be available inside our library under each category. So you can see here commonly used block la what are the commonly used blocks that will be available. Communication system means what are the blocks needed for communication system design, those will be available there. This DSP system means DSP la enna blocks la use பண்றது தேவையோ, filters quantizers source sync, everything will be there. So you can also search here, search பண்ணி எடுத்துக்கலாம், or else you can go to the categories and also you can do that. After that என்ன பண்ணலாம், another one method is available. So டைரக்டா நம்ம press பண்ணிட்டு drag பண்ணி அந்த விண்டோல place பண்றதை விட right click பண்ணிட்டு add to ன்னு option will be there. So அதுல உன்னோட ஃபைல் என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், you can add, that is another method. Then after that என்ன பண்ணுவோம், we can save that, after that run. So this is the concept behind our Simulink. So Simulink எப்படி தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். For communication link simulation we have seen two examples, AM modulation and FM modulation and demodulation.